Okay, here we are unboxing the all-in-one espresso machine set with electric coffee grinder from Amazon. Let's see what this looks like. Nice logo right here. A lot of different features of the machine. I'm gonna open it up here. Nice foam insert, protecting everything, I guess. Here's one box, the Espresso-Works 2-piece espresso cup and milk frothing cup set. So let's see what's in here. Oh, we got another box, packed nice and tight. 2-piece espresso cup set. Here we go. Put this up right here. Bubble wrapped cups. Nice. Each individual cup. Bubble wrapped. Nice espresso cup right there. Another one. Same matching set. Get this out here. Next we have the frothing cup. Anyone that likes cappuccino is going to need this Espresso-Works logo on there. Looks like some nice stainless steel quality right there. Okay, next we have the electric coffee grinder. This is essential piece to anyone that likes to buy coffee beans. Okay, nice. A little foam wrapping. Wow. Espresso-Works logo on there. Easy twist. Got the on off. Take the cap on and off. Tamper and spoon come right in this little PE bag. Then we got the machine. How does this come packaged? Here we go. Let's get this off. So, got a lot of nice foam wrapping here. So let's take off this foam wrapping. See what we got here. Nice and gentle. Okay. Inside this cardboard must be the portafilter. Yes. Portafilter comes nice. Double shot pour. There we go. One double shot pour. You just line that up. Slide it right in there. Nice. There she is. Looks nice. Okay, let's get this in there. Yep. Just put it right in there like that. Here we go. See that? Yep. Steamer. Easy remove water tank. Cool. Looks like a cool piece. Okay. In the next video we'll make some espresso.